Welcome to our channel. This is the first part of 2 videos on the proper maintenance of your vehicle. Ensure that you watch the second part. Please comment, subscribe and like us. A schedule of preventive tasks to keep your vehicle in good shape. Every car owner knows that regular upkeep is very important for the proper operation of their vehicles. And knowing what is to be done and when to do it is often a challenge. From regular oil changes to tire rotations, each task plays its part in extending your vehicle's lifespan. In this video, we will provide a schedule of preventive tasks that will help keep your vehicle in good shape. Knowing when and what parts of your vehicle need attention can save you time, money, and potentially serious car troubles. Using this information, you'll be able to maintain your car with confidence, knowing you're doing your part to keep it on the road for years to come. This isn't just for seasoned car enthusiasts. Even if you're new to car ownership, this video will help you to understand the elementary aspects of car maintenance. So, sit back, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of preventive vehicle maintenance. Regular maintenance tasks. Regular maintenance is essential to have your automobile operating properly, while preventing expensive repairs down the road. By following a schedule of preventive tasks, you can ensure that your vehicle stays in good shape for years to come. In this video, we will discuss some of the most important regular maintenance tasks you should perform on your vehicle. Changing the oil. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for your vehicle is changing the oil. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts of the engine and helps to prevent friction and heat buildup. Over time, the oil can become dirty and lose its effectiveness, which can in turn lead to engine damage. By regularly changing the oil, you can ensure that your engine stays well lubricated and protected. To change the oil, start by locating the oil drain plug underneath your vehicle. Place a drain pan underneath and remove the drain plug to let the old oil drain out. Once the oil has completely drained out, remove the old oil filter and drain plug. Now install the new filter and pour in the recommended amount of fresh oil. Be sure to check the owner's manual or consult a professional for the correct oil type and capacity for your vehicle. Replacing the air filter. The air filter in your vehicle plays a vital role in keeping the engine clean and running efficiently. It prevents dirt, dust, and debris from entering the engine, which can cause damage and decreased performance. Over time, the air filter can become clogged and restrict the airflow, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and power. To replace the air filter, locate the air filter housing, usually found under the hood of your vehicle. Open the housing and remove the old filter. Inspect the new filter to ensure it matches the size and shape of the old one. Insert the new filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly. Close the housing and secure it properly. Checking and replacing the spark plugs. The spark plugs actually ignite the combustion chamber of the engine. They can become worn out or dirty, leading to misfires, reduced fuel efficiency, and rough idling. Checking and replacing the spark plugs at regular intervals is crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance. To check the spark plugs, remove the ignition wires or coil packs that cover the plugs. Use a ratchet and a spark plug socket to dislodge the spark plugs one at a time. Examine the plugs for signs of wear, such as worn electrodes or excessive carbon buildup. If necessary, replace the old plugs with new plugs of the same kind and gap them to the manufacturer's specifications. Inspecting and replacing the battery. The heart of your vehicle's electrical system is the battery. The needed power to start the vehicle and operates various electrical components are provided by it. Over time, the battery can become weak or corroded, leading to starting problems and electrical issues. To inspect the battery, start by checking the physical condition. Look for evidence of damage and corrosion on the battery cables and terminals. Clean any corrosion using a mix of water and baking soda. If the battery shows signs of damage or is more than a few years old, it may be time for a replacement. Consult a professional if you're unsure about the condition of your battery. Checking and topping up fluid levels. Fluids such as power steering, windshield washer, brake, and engine coolant are very necessary for the proper functioning of your vehicle's systems. Regularly checking and topping up these fluid levels is crucial to ensure optimal performance and safety. To check the fluid levels, locate the respective reservoirs under the hood of your vehicle. Each reservoir should have a minimum and maximum level marked on it. Ensure that the fluid levels are within the recommended range. If any fluid is low, carefully add the appropriate amount of fluid to bring it up to the correct level. By performing these regular maintenance tasks on your vehicle, you can extend its lifespan and avoid costly repairs. Remember to check the owner's manual for specific maintenance intervals and procedures. Keeping up with these preventive tasks will not only keep your vehicle in good shape but also provide you with peace of mind on the road. Continuing to discuss a schedule of preventive tasks to keep your vehicle in good shape, we take a look at the tires. Tire care. Taking care of your vehicle's tires is essential for both safety and performance. Neglecting proper tire maintenance can lead to increased risks on the road and can even affect your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Let's discuss 3 essential aspects of tire care: rotating the tires, checking tire pressure, and monitoring tread wear. Rotating the tires. Regularly rotating your tires is crucial to ensure even wear and extend their lifespan. The front and rear tires experience different pressures and forces while driving, which can result in uneven tread wear. By rotating your tires at regular intervals, you distribute the wear more evenly, allowing them to last longer. Tires should be rotated between 5,000 and 8,000 miles or as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Checking tire pressure. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is not only important for safety but also for optimal performance. Tires that are not properly inflated can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, increased tire wear, and poor handling. On the other hand, overinflated tires can result in a harsh ride and decreased traction. To ensure you have the correct tire pressure, you should check it before you take a long trip or once per month using a dependable tire pressure gauge. Use the manual or the information on the driver's side of the door jamb for the right pressure of your tires. Monitoring tread wear. The condition of your tire's tread greatly affects the tire grip on the road, especially if it is slippery and wet. Worn-out tires with insufficient tread depth can compromise your ability to stop quickly and safely. To monitor tread wear, you can perform a simple test using a penny. Insert the penny into the tread grooves with the head of the coin facing downward. If you can see the head of the coin, then it's time to change your tires as the tread depth is too low. In addition to the penny test, regularly inspect your tires for signs of uneven wear, bulges, or cracks. If you have any of these issues, then get a professional to inspect your tires and determine if a replacement is necessary. By following these preventive tasks for tire care, you can ensure that your vehicle's tires stay in good shape, providing you with a safe and smooth driving experience. Remember, regular maintenance and attention to detail can go a long way in enhancing the performance and longevity of your tires. Stay tuned for the next section in our series on maintaining your vehicle's optimal condition. Brake system maintenance. Regular brake system maintenance is essential to ensure the safety and optimal performance of your vehicle. Neglecting this vital aspect of car care can lead to potential brake failure, compromising your ability to stop effectively and putting you and others at risk. We will now discuss 3 key components of brake system maintenance: checking brake pads and rotors, flushing and replacing brake fluid, and inspecting brake lines. Checking brake pads and rotors. One of the primary responsibilities of the brake pads is to create the necessary friction to bring your vehicle to a stop. Over time, brake pads wear down and need to be replaced. Regularly checking the condition of your brake pads is crucial in identifying any issues early on and avoiding more significant problems down the line. To check your brake pads, start by visually inspecting them through the openings of your wheel rims. Look for any signs of uneven wear, such as one pad being thinner than the other or any visible damage. Also, listen for any squealing or grinding noises when you apply the brakes, as this can indicate worn-out brake pads. In addition to the brake pads, it is equally important to inspect the condition of the brake rotors. Brake rotors can become warped or worn out due to excessive heat and friction. Look for any signs of scoring or grooves on the surface of the rotors. If you notice any irregularities, it may be time to have your brake rotors resurfaced or replaced. Flushing and replacing the brake fluid. The brake fluid transmits the force needed from the brake pedal to the other brake components. Over time, brake fluid can become contaminated with moisture and debris, which can compromise its effectiveness. Regularly flushing and replacing the brake fluid is essential to maintaining the optimal brake performance. To flush and replace the brake fluid, start by locating the brake fluid reservoir under the hood of your vehicle. Before opening the reservoir, clean the area around it to prevent any dirt or debris from contaminating the fluid. Then, using a turkey baster or a brake bleeding kit, remove the old brake fluid from the reservoir. Next, Refill the reservoir with fresh brake fluid recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Always use the right kind of brake fluid as specified in your owner's manual to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Finally, bleed the brake system to remove any air bubbles, which can affect brake pedal feel and responsiveness. Inspecting the brake lines. The brake lines conduct the brake fluid to the brake calipers or wheel cylinders from the master cylinder. Over time, brake lines can develop leaks or become corroded, compromising the integrity of the entire brake system. Regularly inspecting the brake lines is crucial in identifying any signs of damage or wear. The brake lines should be checked for signs of leaks, such as fluid drips or stains. Pay close attention to the areas where the brake lines connect to the brake calipers or wheel cylinders, as these are common areas for leaks to occur. Additionally, check for any signs of corrosion or rust on the brake lines, as this can weaken their structure. If you notice any issues with your brake lines, such as leaks or corrosion, it is important to have them repaired or replaced by a qualified mechanic. Remember, the brake lines play a most important part in the safe operation of your vehicle. Any compromise in their condition can have severe consequences. By regularly checking your brake pads and rotors, flushing and replacing brake fluid, and inspecting brake lines, you can ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle's braking system. Don't overlook the importance of brake system maintenance, as it is a crucial aspect of keeping yourself and others safe on the road. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like us. Also, please watch the second portion of this video on the maintenance of your vehicle.